In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock chart position when switching time frames in TradingView. If your chart keeps jumping to a different area every time you change from, say, the 5-minute to the 1-hour time frame, there's a simple setting that keeps your view anchored. This helps you stay focused on the same section of price action while you compare different intervals, which is especially useful when you're analyzing a specific swing, consolidation, or key level. Start by opening your browser and going to tradingview.com. Once you're on the site, look to the right side of the screen where you can choose a market or symbol. Pick the instrument you want to analyze. This could be an index, a stock, a crypto pair, whatever you're working with. Next, open the full chart. You'll see an option labeled full chart or full featured chart. Click that to launch the advanced charting interface. This is where you'll make the change. When the chart loads, right-click anywhere on the chart area to bring up the context menu. From that menu, select Settings. This opens your chart's configuration window, which controls how the chart behaves and displays information. Inside the Settings window, click on Scales and Lines. Depending on your layout, this section groups options related to the price and time scales, as well as how lines and elements are handled on the chart. Scroll down within this section until you find the option called Save Chart Left Edge Position when changing interval. Turn this on. What this does is preserve the left boundary of your current view when you switch time frames. In practice, that means if you're zoomed into a specific area and move from 15-minute to 1 hour, the chart won't jump back or recenter. It keeps that left edge locked, so the portion you're studying stays in sight. After enabling the option, click OK to apply and close the settings window. The change takes effect immediately. To confirm it's working, zoom in to a part of the chart you care about, then change the time frame using the interval selector at the top of the chart. You should see the same area remain anchored on screen while the candles adjust to the new interval. If you change symbols entirely, note that this specific setting only applies to time frame changes, not symbol changes. A quick tip: if you use multiple chart layouts, make sure this setting is turned on in each layout you use regularly. It's a small adjustment that can save you time and eliminate frustration during multi-time frame analysis. That's it, you've locked your chart position when switching time frames in TradingView.